When solving division problems, there are a few different ways that you can use manipulatives or paper and pencil to find the answer. First, let's look at our guided instruction page. And I want to focus on this paragraph here. When you solve division, you can draw models to show a problem. You can write an equation. Remember, an equation is anything that has an equal sign or that has been solved. In a division equation, the dividend is the number being divided, and the divisor is the number you are dividing by. The quotient is the solution. So, underneath quotient, I want you to write the word answer. Quotient is the answer to a division problem. Let's look at these other words in the context of a problem. So if we had something like 15 divided by 3 equals 5, 15 is our dividend. You should be writing this. 3 is our divisor, it's what we're dividing by, and the 5 is our quotient. Okay, let's take an example on how to solve a division problem using manipulatives. If we had the problem 12 divided by 4, and we needed to find the quotient, this is a way you could solve it using manipulatives. For this one, I'm going to use color tiles. So our dividend is 12, so I need 12 tiles. So there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 total. Okay, I'm going to put them into 4 groups. Now there's a few different ways to do this. I could think of 4 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4. Those set my groups. Then I can continue sharing my tiles until I run out. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So I look at my groups, and each of my groups has 3 in them. I have 1, 2, 3 in each of them, so they are equal groups. So if I take 12 and I divide it into 4 equal groups, it equals 3 in each group. Another way is, let's say we had 12 divided by 3 equals a number. Now we already know it's 4, but let me show you how to solve it. So we still have our 12 tiles. This time I'm going to make 3 equal groups. 1, 2, 3 equal groups. I'm going to share my tiles until I run out. 1, 1, 1. Okay, I've run out. So now I have 3 groups, and they all have how many? 4. So 12 divided by 3 equals 4. Okay, another method is we're going to use with 10 divided by 2 equals a number. This time, instead of making 2 equal groups, we're just going to put 2 into groups and see how many groups we make. So there's 2, and there's 2. So I have 2 in each group, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal groups. So 5 would be the answer there. I'll show you again with the other way. If we had 10 divided by 5 equals a number, we know the quotient is 2 because of this problem, but we're going to show you another way. This time I'm going to put 5 in each group. So there's going to be 1 group of 5, and I'm going to make another group of 5 until I run out of color tiles. And I've now run out. And how many equal groups do I have? 2. So that's another way you could solve it. Okay, this time I'm going to just use the paper and pencil. So if we had a problem like 8 divided by 4. 8 is our total number. Let's do 4 equal groups. So I could do 1, 2, 3, 4, and I could share 8 into each group until I run out. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4. Everything has the same. 5, 6, 7, 8. I have used 8. Each of my groups are equal, and how many are in each group? There's 2. The other way to do it, if I were to do 8 divided by 2 equals a number or a quotient, I have 4, hold on, I have 2 equal groups, and I have to do share until I use all 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I've used all 8, and I have 4 in each group because they're equal groups. That's another way to do it. All right, one more way to do it on paper is let's use the problem 15 divided by 3 equals a number. You could draw 15 things. I'm going to just use circles or dots. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 dots. And I'm going to put them into groups of 3. Here's a group of 3. Here's a group of 3. Here's a group of 3. A group of 3. And a group of 3. I have no extras left over. All of my groups are equal, and I have to count how many groups I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my answer is 5, or my quotient. One more time, the other way around. 15 divided by 5 equals a number. So again, if you have 15 things, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Notice I'm not using the whole paper. I'm using my space wisely. I have 15 stars here. This time I'm going to put them into groups of 5 to find out how many groups I make. So there's 5 right here. There's 5 here. And there's 5 here. How many equal groups did I make? 3. So those are some different ways that you can use to find the answers to division problems. Use these ways in lesson 5.1.